What is up, everybody? Today we're going to be taking a look at this right here. The Holyton. I wonder if that's any relation to Holy Stone. The Holyton HT02 mini drone. And that's one of them with the controller with the drone inside the little lid there. And it's got flips, modular battery, 3-speed, altitude hold. Yeah, looks good, man. Let's get it out of the box and check it out. Alright guys, there you go out of the box, and you get 3 batteries with it. You get 2 chargers, some spare props, the prop removal tool you'll see in there, and then you get these little prop guards, which they're very flimsy, but hey, they might work. I won't use them, but still. Anyway, there's the manual, and it's a pretty big manual. Here's the quadcopter itself, and you open up this little door here to unleash the goodness of the king. It says right on there, king. Yep, let me see if I can focus. Well, the light is keeping you from being able to see it. Anyway, it says king on there. There's the now the batteries look like 150s to me. This does not have a camera, as you can tell. No camera. I think it says king on there somewhere else too, doesn't it? I don't know. But anyway. There's where you plug it in right there. And the batteries, the way they work is they just slide out there like that. See that? You just slide them in there like that. Just pop them on in there. There's a little band right there. You just slide them in under the band. And then as soon as you plug it in, of course, it's going to... My focus is going real nutty right now for some reason. But as soon as you plug it in, it's going to start. I don't believe there is a on and off switch for this. Right there. And then here's the transmitter. And I don't know what any of these buttons do. But you know what? Who cares? Because guess what? We'll figure it out. Okay, so that's what we do. We figure things out. I guarantee you one of these is for the flip, one of them is for the rate, and that's probably the level calibration. I mean, basically this stuff's all the same, right? Yeah, we'll figure it out in a second because we're going to take it off. I'm going to turn the sucker around and take off with it. So the little holes for the battery go into the top. It's very hard to plug in this sucker because I can't see for crap anyway. And then compounding that by trying to do this little jeweler type work. Okay, so we got that going. There's the power button for this thing right up there. So let's see what okay, there's the level calibration. That was real simple. Just down and to the right. You know, it's always down to the right, to the left, you know, one of them. So let's just take it over here and fly it for a little bit. Okay, so let me move this crap. Now this is definitely an indoor flyer, but I'm going to take it outside after we get done with this. And we're going to fly it outside a little bit. Let's do another level calibration, which we did. Okay, so there's the rates pressing in there. And that would be the flips pressing in on that one. Wow. Wow. Okay, so be careful with the flips as you see how high they go. When it does a flip. Okay, so it looks good. It seems very nimble, but you got to be careful of these flips because they, whoa. It takes a long time to complete the whole flip and it goes way up there to the ceiling, so you want to probably be a little careful of that. I was wondering what that was, but it doesn't seem to be doing anything. Okay. So there you go. To take off with it, you just lift up on the joystick. There is no down and out, down and in, or anything to actuate the takeoff procedure. It's just push up on the joystick and push down on the joystick to stop the motor. See? So the thing's sitting here like this, and I want to just start the motor, so I would just go like that. So, yeah. And then shut off the motor, go down. Okay, so we're going to take it outside and fly it. Yay! I'm out here with the king. The king quadcopter. Figured I'd bring it outside. We know it'll fly good in the house, but we gotta check it out here. See what the battery life's going to be and all that good stuff. Okay, here we go. Okay, I did the level calibration, so that's all good. So yeah, there's the little king. Now, unfortunately, a little breeze has popped up here where there was nothing. I flew 5 flights over here already, back and forth between the reins. Yeah, so let's take off and... Oh, this is that one where you just pick up on the stick. There, I'm trying to work the trim out. Let me see if there's the flip. There's the speed. It's a little bit of trim left to do. Hold on. Okay, hold on. You can even see it's leaning. Okay, so. All right, let's fly it around a little bit. Oh yeah, great stuff. I'm trying to keep it close so you guys can see it, because I know damn well this thing gets a few feet out there. You're not even gonna be able to see this thing. But yeah, it's zippy, flies great. Holy cow. Another winner. Man, I've been getting lucky lately with these flyers. But yeah, look how nice, look how zippy it is. Wow. Yeah. I'll put the flight time in, you know, all that good stuff. I mean, this battery's the tiniest thing. I think it's 130 milliamp hours or something like that. It's very small. But for this thing to be able to fly good outside, I mean, yeah, that's a bonus, because this is definitely an indoor quad. You know, this is for flying around in the living room and in your underwear. Yeah, look at this thing go, guys. Wow. Okay, so the trim went a little bit south. Okay, so it's back. Okay, so the battery's still going. And the flips are still working. Hey, big thumbs up to this thing, guys. Big thumbs up. Wow. Very impressive. Can't believe how long the damn battery's lasting. Okay, so I'm shocked about that as well. All right, guys, we're just trying to roll. Dang, this battery is Herculean. Holy tamale, this thing's still flying. The golden child, the king of quadcopters. My goodness, it's still flipping. And they gave you 3 batteries. Hell, I could be out here for 5 hours flying this thing. Wow, what a winner. What a winner, guys. Still flipping, still going. This is one of the best toy quadcopters on the market, right here. You gotta. It's amazing, okay? This thing is amazing. And I'm in the 3rd round. I'm pushing this thing. I'm not like just sitting here, you know, letting it hover. I mean, I'm working these motors. I mean, I got this thing going full throttle the whole time. You gotta be kidding me. Now I'm stunned. Now I can't believe it. This thing's still going. Okay, wait a minute, I just seen something. Yep, the light's flashing. Holy tamale. I thought I was gonna have to stand out here for a couple more hours. Nope, there goes the flips. No more flips. I probably could have floated for another minute if I wouldn't have done all them flips. I think those flips really put a big strain on the battery, to be honest with you. I want to feel how hot this sucker is when it comes back, because man, it's been going forever. It's getting ready to crap out, I can tell you that right now. There it goes. All right, it flipped over. All right, the king of all quadcopters. No, it's not warm or anything. So, well, it's not warm out here either. All right, guys, there you go. The almighty king. Wow, very impressive. Unbelievably impressive. All right, guys, have a nice day, man. I'll talk to you later. Let me see. Let me look at the camera. Okay, so it went for 9:49 on the video. That's how long the GoPro was going, 9:49. So that must have been going for about 9 minutes, man. Wow. All right, have a nice day.